Well, hi there. I'm Kristen with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm taking you on the tour of 60 North Main Street, a Unit C in Hughesville, Pennsylvania. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, so let's go. Okay, we are starting outside and at the back of the property today because I want to showcase where the parking is and the entrance that you would typically use when you're parking out here. You can see there's a nice shared yard back here. And you got a nice little walkway and everything coming up here. But what you have to yourself is a nice little separation area here on this patio. There's definitely enough room to put some little furniture out here and things like that, decorate it up if you want. And we're gonna come right into the rear door. Now we have a massive downstairs. There is a ton of space for everything. You've got this great kitchen area that has the hard flooring, which makes it really wonderful because you can place your table and chair set. You've got this very open area here to cook and do whatever you need to do here in the kitchen, but also the space where if you wanted to do like a hutch or something like that, you certainly could. And then you have washer and dryer connections in here so you can house your machines and things like that. And with some creativity, you could really make them like add to the vibe. Maybe like a curtain or something like that. You know, you can like kind of affix something to hide it away if you want to. And you also have this area here. Now, one would think you could use this as a living room and this would be what the living room is, but it actually isn't. We are gonna go on through here. So before we go upstairs, you have this great space here that you can use for living area or not. You can make a little office or something like that. But then what I would call the living room would be this fantastic space here. You can see back in the day, it used to be a commercial space. It is now this wonderful, open, airy space. You've got these beautiful areas here. I imagine like putting some cushions or something there. You could do a little reading nook situation, but there is a lot of space here to set up a living room kind of anywhere on this first floor that you want to. Now I'm going to show the basement off. I got to tell you, it's not for me. Not all basements are for me. I'm not a lover of basements, but we like to show it all. It's nothing crazy. It's just a little dirt floor action. And as you can see, I'm not even going all the way down there because I don't think that that's a space that we need to worry about because we're not entertaining there. So now we're going to take it right upstairs. So you do have kind of like a little bit of a twist here with the upstairs. Now, when it comes to your bedroom furniture, you can buy boneless mattresses every day and set up a bed frame right inside the bedroom to get things up here. We're going to come into what I would call the master bedroom. It is bright and airy. It's got some built-in situation. You also have a closet here with a hang bar. There's actually double hang bars. It's a pretty big closet, and you can fit a king size bed in here if you'd like to. Coming to the second bedroom, this is a little bit smaller. I would say probably up to a full-size bed. There is not a closet, but if you did your full-size bed here, you definitely have room, maybe a little wardrobe or some kind of a rack or something like that with a hang bar would really fit nicely over there. And then last but not least, we have our bathroom. So you've got a whole built-in situation happening over here. Oh, and you have a built-in situation happening over here. So there is a lot of storage. You can see this closet here. That might be a really smart closet to designate for the second bedroom because then you have somewhere to do that and you're not taking up real estate with a piece of furniture. You have a nice wide vanity. You have a medicine cabinet mirror. And then you've got your full-size bathtub and a nice tall shower head. Oh my goodness, for being 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, there is sure a lot of space. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out that website, give us a call today, because I don't know if you can tell, but I am anxious to help you make this your home.